Bantfu balelive labashonile ngenxa ye-COVID-19 sebandlulile ku-56,000 kanti lamalanga lengcile isibalo sebantfu labasuleleka nge-COVID-19 kulelive sibonakala sikhula. Ikhabhinethi njalo isacabanga lisu lokulwisana nalesibalo lesibonakala sifuna kutipha emandla.
Cabinet discussing and consulting on the measures to make sure we protect South Africans, and a decision will be taken soon after the consultations, and will announce the date at which the president will then hold the family meeting, that we can confirm to South Africans that there will be a family meeting soon.
Liveselingena esigabeni sesibili sekugoma lokubuka kakhulu kusobanu labaneminyaka lengetulu kulamashumi lasitfupha. Epha kubonakala ngathi kusafanele beme isikhathi ngaphambi kokuthi bathole lo mjovo.
Will be aware that we don't have sufficient number of stock of vaccines, and that's why we continue to call for the increased production or the ability or capacity for the country and the continent to produce its own stock vaccines. So given that the Department of Health in various provinces will then, given the allocation they have been provided of vaccines for that day or for that week, they'll then prioritize and invite people for the vaccinations. So it depends on the availability of vaccines and the number of registrations in that province and the allocations the province are doing.
Kuletinsolo Tindzaba lwengodile kahle bit 150 million wemarandi ye-COVID-19 liyanikwa i-digital vibes nalo lubito loluchubeke njalo lekuthi indvuna yetemphilo Dr. Zweli kumele ehle esikhundleni. Ikhabhinethi ishilo Tindzaba kube temtsetfo.
Reiterate that the Department of Health is not investigating itself. The investigations that are underway are done by law enforcement agencies, and therefore there is no possibility of interference on the investigations. The minister yesterday clarified his own positions in terms of what he is implicated or not implicated on the matter, and the investigative report will then give a picture not only to South Africans but to the department and to the president on the matter.
Kusengacacile kusasa lema e-tolls eGauteng ukuthi atokhishwa yini nobe cha njengoba bese vele tikhona tinhlelo lebese tibekiwe tekuthuthukisa imigwaqo ngaphambilini.